Hey, I'm Masood. I want to show you something I built from scratch. It's called CreatorCopilot. Think of it as a smart assistant for YouTubers. You give it a video idea and it writes the titles, the hooks, the outline, even rewrites your whole script. Let me just walk you through it. So let's start simple. Say I've got a video idea, I type it in, pick what I want, like some catchy titles, and hit generate. A couple of seconds later, there they are, clean and ready to use. Behind the scenes, it's talking to OpenAI, but I built it so the results always come back neat and organized, never a messy wall of text. The user just gets exactly what they ask for. Now, here is the part I'm most proud of. This is a chat assistant, but it's a lot smarter than your average chatbot. Watch, I'll just ask it in plain English, give me 5 video ideas about home espresso, and save the best one. See how it's replying live as I watch? And it's not only talking, it's actually doing things for me. It came up with the ideas and then it went and saved to my library on its own just because I asked. It figures out the steps by itself, and I added some guardrails, so it always stays fast and never gets stuck running in circles, loops, or wasting money. If you're serious how that works, I basically gave the assistant its own little toolbox. It can come up with ideas, save things, look up your password, and so on, and it picks the right tool for whatever you ask. And I was really careful with the security side. The assistant can only ever touch your own data, never anyone else's. That part really matters when real people start using it. The other thing worth mentioning here is it also pays attention to who you are. If I connect my channel, the assistant looks at the videos I've already made and tailors its suggestions to my style. And it's smart enough to avoid repeating stuff I've already covered. So the ideas actually feel like they are made for me, not just generic filler. Now, since every idea or script costs a little to create, I built in a simple credit system. Each account gets a set amount. You can watch it tick down right here as you use it, and it's all connected to Stripe for payments. So people can upgrade, manage their plan, the whole thing. In other words, this is a real working product, not just a pretty demo. And I built all of it myself: the website, the behind the scenes engine, the database, the payments, and every one of the AI features. I also built it in a careful way. It's secure, it keeps costs under control, and it can handle a lot of people using it at the same time. Basically, it's ready for the real world. So that's CreatorCopilot, a real AI product I designed and built end to end. If you got something with AI in mind, an assistant, maybe a tool, or a whole app like this one, I generally love to help you build it. Just send me a message and tell me what you are working on, and I'll get back to you really quickly with a plan. Thanks for watching. Talk soon.